Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another talk through easy makeup tutorial for Halloween. And for this video, I really wanted to do an angel inspired makeup tutorial. In case you just want to do something simple like buy a pair of wings and a little halo for your head, then this is definitely the video for you. So if you are interested in seeing me transform from this to this, then just keep watching.
I'm back. Boo.
I still don't have any idea what I'm going to be doing, so I just hope that it comes out good. I'm going to be using for my Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette this color right here called Good Morning, and it's a very, very muted pink. It's almost white, honestly. And I had already applied the Jeffree Star C13 all over my eyelids, so it is starting to crease, so I have to start moving fast. Alright, so I'm going to begin by packing on that color onto my eyelid. Just like this. It's hardly noticeable, so I am going to be dipping into a different shade. Originally I wasn't, but now I kind of have to. The color I'm going to be taking is this one here called Brain Freeze. And that one is like a really pretty sky blue. I'm going to be applying Brain Freeze right out here. It's super light. Okay, that's fine. We'll work with it, girl. Look at this. My camera keeps focusing on my freaking skull in the background, so I have to go fix that. So I'm just bringing the eyeshadow slightly in to just blend it with the other one. I'm going to try to do some graphic liner. This is the NYX white liquid liner, and when I mean I haven't done this before, it's like I've done graphic liner, but I still feel really scared to do it because you just have to have a very steady hand, and I'm very shaky all the time for some reason. So let's try this. Oh shit. See what happens? I am going to be going thicker anyway, so it's fine. I'm just going over what I did and cleaning it up. Alright, and now I'm going to be applying some of this CoverGirl eyeliner, and this one is in Silver Metallic. Placing that right on my waterline. Now I'm going to be going into the color Virgin right in here. And with that color, I'm just going to be placing it right here to brighten up this area. And then from that color, I'm going to be going into the color Brain Freeze, which is the baby blue that we applied. Alright, and now I'm going to be going into the color Soaked, which is this one right here. And I'm taking a Sigma pencil brush, like this here. And I'm going to be applying that right over here. So now I'm going to take the liquid liner once again. Now I'm going to be taking Ruby Kiss Cosmetics Crystal Gloss, and it looks like this. I believe you can get this at Walmart for like under $3. I really love this gloss, except that it is very, very sticky, but it just gives you that perfect shine on your lips. I'm not going to be using it on my lips right now. I am going to be taking a flat little brush like this one here. This is the Luxy Precision Crease Brush, which is the number 246. And I'm going to be taking it right on that brush like this. And I am going to begin to apply it right on the lid. I just really want to create that really shiny look on the eye. Just like that. Alright, and now that I've done that, I picked this up from Michael's. This here is like confetti glitter, and I just really like how it looks holographic. I'm going to begin by taking some really small pieces, if I can freaking grab them, and I'm going to place it on the eye. just like that. No, that one's too big. You gotta get small pieces. Okay. Let's try that. Ooh, okay. Alright, so now that we have done that, I'm gonna be applying some mascara, some lashes, and I don't know, I might add something else. So let me just think it through while I do the rest of the stuff, and then I'll be right back with you guys and share whether I did anything. As I was applying these other ones, I realized that this was bothering me. I had to start cutting the confetti a little bit smaller, and these are sticking really good with the gloss, but I kind of, if you're going to be wearing it for throughout the night, I suggest that you try using it with the glue so that it's more secure. But if they are bothering you, then the pieces might be a little bit too big and you just have to cut them down. But I'm pretty comfortable with the sizes of this, and it's just looking really pretty. So all I have to do now is apply some lashes and then BRB. Alright guys, so I did my face makeup off camera and applied some lashes, and that's basically all I've done. And now I'm gonna move on to lips. You know what, I should have applied my face makeup on camera, but I don't know why I didn't. Man, my eyes look really pretty. Oh, you know what I was gonna do? I was gonna be adding a few more details to this look. So I've been wanting to add some sequins like these. I just don't know where to add them. Ooh, what if I just add them like one right here on each side? I think I'm gonna do that. Alright, so what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna apply some glue right here. This is my lash glue. Just like that. And apply that little diamond there. And this one over here. Oh, those two are different color. Why? Alright, I gotta do that over again. There we go. On the lips, I want to do something metallic, something different that I don't normally gravitate towards. I'm going to be using Wet n Wild's Liquid Katsu in Bali in Love. So I like it, but my lips are really dry and you can see the little cracks right there. So I have to apply gloss over this. Not intentional. I know I always lean towards glosses, but this time I was trying to do something different and it just didn't work. Okay, so now for gloss, I'm going to be using Rimmel London's, what color is this? Down to Gloss. Ooh, these are really good paired together. Okay, now let me just go ahead and set the face. And on the body, I'm going to be taking this iconic water mist spray. You shake it up and it looks like this here. How cool is that? It has a lot of shimmer, so I'm going to avoid putting it on my face, and I'm just going to be applying it to the body. I already applied highlighter, but this is just going to make it a little bit more beaming. Alright guys, so I'm done with the makeup portion. Now I'm going to get into costume and then I'll be right back with you guys. Alright guys, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I am kind of wishing that I did a longer tutorial with like applying the rest of my face. I never change up my face routine that often, so. This little headband, it looks like this. Has a little halo at the top and it has some wings out. I got this one from Michael's and I think it was around $5 for this headband. And then these wings were 40% off and I think they were like $12. I do want to say that these wings, they're freaking, this thing is really long. You can't adjust it. So I'm like wrapping it around my titty right now to make it stay in place. I don't like how this looks here. I wish there were like clip-ons or something. But yeah, that's basically what I did for this look. I know that like Halloween City and other party stores probably carry like better wing sets and halos, but I've never seen a halo like this one, so I just decided to pick it up from Michael's. And then these fucking wings are so annoying. You guys see that? It's crossed around my titties to stay in place. Oh, and then this wig here, you guys, I don't know if you guys missed it. If you're new here to my channel, you probably did. I have a full review on this wig here, along with 2 other ones that I purchased on Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and link that up here for you guys so you guys can check that out. I believe this wig is like $35 and it's synthetic, but it is heat resistant, and I don't know, I just feel like it feels like real hair, and I just love it so much. I will link it down below in the description box for you guys in case you guys are interested in it. But yeah, that wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give my video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!